Welcome back. I've been gone a while. Hopefully that's changing today. I think I'm gonna try and film a get ready with me to go from this to this. Let's see if I actually remember how to edit that so it's like all different, but you know, just to be different and like fun, I'm probably gonna just leave this clip in there so you think I'm edgy and fun. It is currently 9:15 in the morning on Saturday. I have to be ready by 1:30, so we have 4 hours. Maybe I'll fuck that up, but for now I'm going to drink my kombucha because my tummy hurts and that's not fun. Oh God, so weird. I've always thought, like, why is there not a kombucha line called kombuchas, like kombucha bitches? So hopefully no one actually watches this and takes my idea, and like in 3 years I'll have my own kombucha line. Because why not? Okay, signing out. We'll see the progress I made. Okay, so we made progress. We're showered, somewhat clean, sure. And now we are frying some short ribs because 10:30 in the morning, why not? Self-care. Okay, I thought I pressed the stop button and I didn't. So I would just like to make it known, a piece of short rib fat just got into my eye. And it really hurts. Oh my God. What a Saturday. Okay, back. And this, you know, this lighting, the setup, all that is just real OG YouTube. So we're just gonna throw it back there and we're just gonna get ready. Gonna try and find some, ooh, found a hairband. Also, I'm kind of running out of time to get ready because I had to watch the James Charles video. And just, yikes. I just have a lot of thoughts, but I won't care to discuss them. But I will care to do my makeup with my messy room in the background. My mom would be so proud of me. Okay. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. This is so funny. I wish I had my real camera, but I didn't plan ahead and charge it because I'm an asshole. So now we're just gonna try and do this get ready thing with me, which is like, it's a great idea, but like, what do I talk about now? Like, where's the content gonna go? I don't know, but I'm gonna start with Anastasia Brow Definer in Granite because I dyed my hair super dark and black looking, but it's really faded right now. And you're also really not gonna see how I'm doing it because I can't do that right now. It's also so gross outside. It's like really raining. And I have to go to my brother's birthday today. So that's fun. Okay. Every time I watch a YouTuber's video and they're like, okay, I'll be back when my eyebrows are done. I can't do my eyebrows on camera. And I'm like, that's so stupid. Why can't you do your eyebrows on camera? I get you now. I'm sorry for all the shit I've talked. I will be back when my eyebrows are on. Okay. I used my brain and I found a tripod that my phone is perching on, and I should close that. Maybe light a candle for ambiance. Also, that open door is really gonna stress me out because I'm gonna think I'm getting murdered because that's how all horror movies start. So, great. Okay, so I have my eyebrows on. They're a little thick today, but that's fine. I should really brush out my eyelashes because I'm missing a gap, but I'm getting them done on Tuesday, so don't judge me. Oh my God, they're all... So I think today I'm going to do like a brown smoky eye because my eyelashes look better when I don't, when something dark is on them, because that makes sense. I also need to go put on eye cream, so I'll be right back. Like, how scary would that have been if I was just like in the bathroom and you guys just like saw a ghost or something? Anyways, okay, I'm using the Sephora collection hyaluronic acid brightening eye cream, which is good, but it's not as good as the Ole Henriksen one. But I think that thing would give me a crazy reaction. Because do we remember when my face was fucked up? If my friend Randy was here, he'd be like, your face is always fucked up. Don't worry, that man is really nice to me, like my best friend, but you know. Had to insert a fun little joke in that. I'm gonna go in with some Tatcha water cream. Get that moisture in there. Okay. Beautiful moisture. Dewy. Cool. Okay. I'm sorry I keep turning around. My makeup is behind me. I'll figure this out one day. I know people have their stuff in front of them, but I don't have anything in front of me. It's just my window. At first, I wanted to do like a purple burgundy eye because I'm seeing my friends Kelly and Kelsey. And for my birthday, they gave me the Kylie Jenner Extended Burgundy palette, which they freaking tricked me because they're like, oh my god, I'm getting a palette, like, what should I get? And I was like, oh, get this one. And then those bitches just got them for me. Dude, look how bad these look. It's okay. It's not better. But it's kind of like really gross and raining outside. But, so purple would brighten it up. But I think I'm just going to like wear a hoodie and like stuff, which my mom's going to get mad at because it's a birthday party, but I don't really care. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Soft Glam. Am I going to like, am I supposed to show you like thumbnail? Okay, but I'm going to go in with that color all over my lid. But in most get ready with me, it's not like a tutorial, so I'm just gonna get ready. You get ready with me. We'll just do it like that. Also, eyelash extensions make it so hard to do literally any type of eyeshadow look. But I'm going to try. But also, like the photo I just posted on my Instagram, which if you don't follow me already, yes. I just did like a gold cut crease, but also like I'm not, like sometimes I'm a fun bitch, but usually I'm not, so why lie? I mean, social media is a lie. Anyways, it's a facade, but like, no. Also this mirror is so dirty. It's okay. I really hope YouTube like comes back to this place where people are just filming on their iPhones, because as much as I love like the full glam, like studio lighting stuff, like I miss the days when people were just like on their MacBooks, like putting eyeshadow on with their fingers. It was just like a nice time. Okay, I'm just gonna do this brown all over my lid. I hope you guys, like, on one hand I hope you can hear the rain, and I hope you can, because it's kind of like soothing, but it's also probably like annoying as fuck. So who knows? I wish I had a watch on me. I don't. Like, I think this is going to take me a really long time to get ready, but it's fine. I've also decided that I'm not going to do my hair because it's pouring rain outside, so what's the point? But then I can't get a good selfie if my hair looks like a wet dog. Ugh, it's so hard being famous. But in James Charles' video, he was talking about how that's like a joke between him and his friends, and that's a joke between me and my friends, so like I hope you guys don't think I'm actually famous. Because like I am to myself. This is so, oh my god, my eyelashes look crazy. Crazy. I'll probably speed this up. We'll do a little, but I wish I had my computer open so I can listen to music, because like me sitting here in silence like doing my makeup is like not a vibe. I've had this mirror. This is a Benefit mirror. I got it when I worked at Ulta, which we'll have plenty of story times about. And it's like all broken and just like, but I love it so much. It makes me feel like a pretty, pretty princess. And I promise you this will get cleaned up. It's really funny because when I thought I was gonna make a YouTube challenge, this is my challenge for me to actually post fucking videos. But I was like, oh, I'm gonna be so detailed and technique and talk about makeup and like be like so precise, and I'm over here like looking like this because I just don't really care anymore. But that's kind of a nice feeling. Like I would always like if I had a 7 a.m. class, I would like not 7 a.m. That's well 8 a.m. same thing. I would like literally wake up so early to do full glam, and now I just don't really care. And that is what we call growth. How does this look? It's actually not that bad. It washes out on camera. It looks more crazy on camera, but I don't look that bad right now. That was fun. Okay. Okay, so my eyes are like done because I'm going to like, it's gonna look, but I promise you the final result will be great. So just wait. Okay, hopefully this is like straight-ish because my phone is balancing on my tripod in a way that it probably shouldn't. So now I'm going to do my makeup, my face makeup. Ooh, someone texted me, but the notification went away. Okay, so what I like to do is I take a setting spray, and not like a dewy one or anything, but like one that's supposed to like make it last, such as the Milani Make It Last one. Or I like the NYX mattifying one too, and I put this down. Ooh, I need a new one. All over my face because it kind of acts like as a glue, and my face just like sticks together. And then I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover. How do people do that? It's funny because this has no autofocus because it's a fucking iPhone, but give a fuck. Should I stop cursing? Go all over my face, get those nutrients, probiotics, prebiotics, whatever's in that. But like, my forehead is so rough. I'm gonna need to exfoliate. Like, why does my primer need probiotics? I got probiotics for my tummy yesterday because I've been fucked up. But I just want to know, why does my face need probiotics? Someone riddle me that. I really love, okay, hello, I'm back. I really love the term riddle me this. I want to start writing it in all my work emails because honestly, like, the things that happen at my job, like, someone please riddle me this. But I can't talk about it on camera because I'm still at work. So maybe in like 5 years, we'll just talk about my current job because yikes. Okay, beauty blender, very dirty. Don't judge me. You all know you have dirty beauty blenders. This is not new. Don't act like we're all clean right now. Born This Way, best foundation ever. I used the shade Swan. I've literally changed this foundation like shade like a million times because when it first came out there was like no shades, and then they came out and there was like more shades but like still not me. Now there's more shades that they're still not me, so that's okay. I might have put too much on. I got a little too excited about the YouTube video. That is okay. Wow, looking crazy. Oh my god. He looks so bad. It's crazy because, you know, you always see yourself doing the makeup in the mirror and you're like, I don't look this crazy. But then when you're doing it on camera, you're like, bitch, what the fuck? Okay. Let's just blend this out. Oh, can't see me. If I can figure it out, I would love to insert the Jeopardy theme song here. But, yeah, okay. My face has been acting up, which is not good. It usually is like really not act upable. I mean, you've only seen me in 2 videos. In both of those videos, my skin was fucked up, but I've been just like, I've been going through a lot, okay? So, just gonna blend, blend, blend till I look more human. I bought 2 new powders this morning, and they're in my kitchen, but I just don't want to get up and leave you guys again. But see, like, it matches, right? Like, I don't look crazy. I mean, I look crazy, but not because of my shade matching abilities. Okay. So, okay, basically the next, it's like 12-ish o'clock. I have to leave at 1:30. In the next hour and a half, I have to finish my face, which honestly won't be that hard. I have to pack, because I'm going to Santa Cruz tonight. I have to get dressed. I was going to do my hair, but no thank you. Okay, Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. Shape Tape. You ain't shit. I'm just going to put it out there. I'm just going to say it. I'm just going to say it. Shape Tape. Not that poppin'. You can literally fight your mother about this. Do not fight me. Trash. And see, we just add a little sharp line, so it doesn't look like our eyeshadow. It looks like a crazy mess. Except my eyeshadow is like touching my eyebrow, but like that's normal for me, so I don't really care. Don't really care. Also, I've been trying not to like drag my concealer down so much because I have like, I think I have a round face. I honestly can't really tell the shape of my face. I've always wondered what shape of face I have. It's not actually round. Looking at it, it's more like, what is it, the heart? The little diamond? Comment down below what shape my face is, because honestly that would be really helpful. Oh god. Okay, maybe, no. I was gonna get my computer play music, but I'm like, it is raining so hard. So hard. I don't want to leave my house. I don't want to drive to Santa Cruz, but I need to see my friends and drink hot chocolate. I went to school in Santa Cruz. Go Banana Slugs. Actually, no. I hate when people are like, oh my god, you went to Santa Cruz? Go Banana Slugs. I'm like, literally don't talk about slugs with me. Like, do I look like a slug? Like, please don't be disrespectful right now. Okay, this Get Ready With Me is like so fucking long for no reason, but like I don't really care. I'm a rebel. And hopefully I'll be able to like edit this. I have a degree in film, I should be able to. But like I was saying, I went to school in Santa Cruz. Not really like a pop in time for me if I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, Chief. Keep it $1.50. But there's this amazing place called Chocolate. It's like 10 different types of hot chocolate and like different types of cheese spots, and it's like literally the best place in the world, and I'm so excited to go tonight. Like I will literally drive an hour and a half to Santa Cruz just for hot chocolate. I mean, and to see my friends. But like, let's just be honest with ourselves. See, look, I'm coming together. Okay, let's powder this bad boy up. Okay, this Maybelline loose powder is the truth. Like Bible, it's the truth. Like Laura Mercier, honey, you can never. Just kidding, that's a great powder too, but I'm obsessed with this powder. Like it makes me look like a porcelain doll. It's fantastic. Fantastic. Hey, the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. Trash and yellow and doesn't make sense, but this one is brightening and smoothing and like all the good stuff. Oh, my friend texted me. Look at me being friends, getting friends, being friends, all that good stuff. Except I'm going to be shitty because she asked me if I wanted to get pho tonight, which like I would, but I won't be in town. Okay. So, BRB, I'm going to go get my other face powder. I'm going to reply to my friend and break her heart. And it's going to be great. Okay. Okay. Oh, God, this is not... Whatever. We're just going to deal with it. I promise I won't move this anymore. Okay, Maybelline Fit Me powder, the pressed one, because I was like, you know, if the loose one's so beautiful, the pressed one will be too. My question is, so you know these like little things that say this item is intended to be found for sale at Walgreens, if found in other outlets, call this number. Like, what do they do? Like, let's say I found this at another store and had the sticker on it, and I call the number, like what happens afterwards? Like what is that process like? I just want to know. That's embarrassing. Very dirty brush. But like, right? Like what do they do? What's the follow-up procedure? I just need to know. Anyways, Cover FX. Light, medium, perfect your face palette. Looks like this. Don't people go like this with the mirrors? They're like, oh, you can't see what I'm looking at. Just kidding. Oh, see, like, look how bunk this looks. This is kind of a cool photo. This might be my, get ready with me, like, what is this called? Okay, photo time. Thumbnail. That's what it is. Okay. Gonna go in with the contour, which isn't like this is a good product. I don't know if it's a contour shade because it's like not very cool tone. But also I'm not the best contourer, so don't look at me for tips. And the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Also, like, this bitch smells phenomenal. Also, bronzing with a fan brush, like, unparalleled. Get yourself some of that in your life. And we are going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love. Like, look how pretty those colors are. Like, are you kidding me? Also, I'm getting my nails done on Tuesday too, so just like don't even talk to me. So I'm just gonna do a little. Also, this brush is like so like old and breaking and had another handle, and it's like from when I was in middle school, but I love it so much. Kidding? I look like a precious angel. Like, if you don't apply blush, what are you doing? Except I look a little crazy. This is a little too far down my face. So, let's see, will this focus on my face? Okay, whatever. It's okay. Not claiming to be a professional, folks. Perfect, so now we're just gonna wait for this to set. I'm gonna like fuck around with my eyeshadow a little bit more. I'm so tired. I have not had any coffee today because I hate myself. That's why. You know what? We're just gonna deal with it. Okay. Whatever. We'll use the other one. My real question is, like, so I'm going to Santa Cruz tonight, and, like, do I want to bring my makeup? I don't think I do. Because I'm not going to wear makeup tomorrow. I don't think, like, why would I need to? So, I don't think I'm going to do it. I'm just not going to do it. Did you hear me? I'm just not going to do it. Okay, now I'm just being annoying. Now I'm trying too hard, whatever. Just let me live. Okay. Oh my god, look how, okay, you know, like, you know, when people are actually, like, serious, and they have, like, that, like, metal tinfoil sheet to, like, for the light to bounce back. Like, no bounce back. Slight bounce back. Like, I'm glowing. Okay. Okay, Miss Professionalism. Okay. 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 Anyways, enough of that. Okay. So that's basically my face. I'm going to have to highlight, and then I'm going to do eyeshadow underneath here and all that good stuff. But first, we're going to spray Morphe Stunning. I love this because it applies like literally a hairspray. It's fantastic. Also, I made such a mess because ew, that's so gross. Because I'm feeling very self-conscious about the fact that I keep like rustling things, so I'm like taking all of my makeup out of my drawers, but I'm not putting anything back. So I do that for you. Oh god. Okay. Okay, best. I don't ever use this highlighter because it's so pretty and I like don't ever want to use it. But it's a Amrize Anastasia highlighter, but today's a special occasion because I'm with my friends here. So I'm going to use it. But first, I like to go back into that palette. This white shade is literally the prettiest brightening shade. There's a little finishing powder, so I kind of mix all this together just for that initial highlighting. So it's just like the slightest bit. Slightest bit. So I like to use this especially like here and on the apples of my cheeks. So I still have that like highlight, but it's not like crazy. Then we're just gonna do a little just for shits and giggles. Dang, it's so gross. Oh god, I have a headache. I need to make some coffee. It's pouring. Okay, so then Miss like, are you like freaking kidding me? Like, can we focus on this? Like, that's so pretty. Also, Amreezy's like my favorite person in this world. She follows me on Twitter. We're best friends. Love that. Like, are you like look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to do some finishing touches, aka put like highlighter and like, oh, okay, like my head hurts. Maybe I can order Starbucks on Postmates. That's a lot though. Like, I wouldn't want to put a Postmates out in this weather. But they already are, so. You know, it's not like someone's going to leave their house just to get me a Starbucks. Just kidding. I always feel really bad ordering delivery in this weather because I'm like, I wouldn't want to go outside, so I don't want to make other people go outside. It like stresses me out. Just want to look sun-kissed on this beautiful day. Except the brightener is like too purple and my highlight's goldy, so I have to fix that. This is not the right thing. Whatever. Oh, red. I look good. I'm fine. I feel pretty good about my face, actually. Okay, we're going to hit it with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Okay, and this is excessive and dramatic, but honestly, this makes all the difference after you apply your setting spray. Oh, this feels so good. I have such a headache right now. I can't even tell you. Okay, so basically that's done. Then I think we're gonna go in today with my Jamie Genevieve. Love her, favorite person ever. I mean, I know I just said that about Amreezy. I have a lot of favorite people, as you'll know. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lip liner in Coffee and Kissy, which Kissy as a word is just an odd choice. And then I'm not trying to kissy anyone after coffee. Are you kidding me? Yeah, okay. I've been really into this Patrick Ta one, and she's expensive. Yes, she is, but honestly, this lip gloss is really pretty. Oh, that's messed up. I'll fix that, don't worry. And I love it because, like, I don't know if you can tell, but, I mean, it's very, focus, no. It's very glittery, but you can't feel the glitter, which I know you know what I'm talking about, because if you've ever worn a glitter lip gloss and you, like, go, like, and it's, like, the little chunks, it's, like, gritty. Yeah, that's gross. That's not a feeling I enjoy. And I think there we have it. Hair done, face done, outfit. We're just gonna go with that. That was my whole boobs were just in the frame, sorry. But yeah. Cute. Okay, well, actually this was like kind of fun, and I really need to start making YouTube videos again, so I'll see you in my next one. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe. I'll give you a second. I'll just give you a second to do that. Okay, subscribed? Are you subscribed? Are you really? Okay, see you soon.
That wasn't my endpoint like V-neck.